So I try to like look kind of cute today because my hair is down for once and I had it in a braid and it made these really pretty waves. But now I just look messy. So as you can see from the title, I got my BoxyLuxe in the mail today and I decided I want to go ahead and unbox it and see what's in here. Even though I kind of know what's already in here, but we'll just see. So my paper got a little smashed, but here is the theme. It is Getaway. So when you get the box, it looks like this. And then the first little flap has this little not satin bag, but this little bag, PYT, which I believe is the little hair dryer, traveling hair dryer. Oh my god, this thing's $85. Why? It says it's supposed to be powerful, portable, lightweight, easy to use, decrease drying time, reduce frizz, and lock in moisture. Oh, cute. Okay. Oh shoot, this is actually really adorable. So it's like a soft touch, and I got the millennial pink, which actually works out really well for me. I wanted this color, but as you can see, it's a really small little hair dryer. And it looks like you can have a low to high setting. But what's really cute that it actually comes with is these little hair appliances. So you have this cute little appliance, and it literally even comes with a diffuser. That's really freaking cute. I don't know how the hell I would be able to use that on my long hair, but on someone with short hair, that probably would be like the bomb. Okay, and then the next thing is actually wrapped up in the styrofoam. I need to be better at making YouTube videos and actually like do close-ups for you guys. So right here we have the Skin & Co. Truffle Therapy Radiant Dew Mist. This is sold for $35 and it says it's for all skin types. So the one thing I do like so far is I looked in the ingredients and I don't see fragrance or parfum, however you say it, listed anywhere, which is nice because I have sensitive skin and I do not like fragrance in my stuff. We have the Living Proof Full Dry Volume Blast. Instant lasting volume and texture. So it's a styling and finishing spray. FRIDA's really getting me back into actually doing stuff with my hair again. She's an amazing hairstylist, and like her Instagram, she has an Instagram page dedicated to her clients where she does before and afters and stuff. It's so freaking amazing. I'll put her information down below if you want to check her out. I love her to death. I think she's the sweetest person ever. So here is the product right here. As you can see, it's a matte container, a nice aluminum can. It's sold for $29 and it is a styling spray that's supposed to give you like lightweight volume and texture, especially for fine flat hair, which is what I have actually. So this will be really nice for me, and it's supposed to not give you the crunch or the stiffness, which is always a big problem for me. Like, I style my hair and I get so crunchy and stiff I have to end up just washing my hair anyway, or else I literally have like a rat's nest of hair. It's ridiculous. Offers UV protection. It's silicone free and safe for colored and chemically treated hair, which is nice. Here's the product. It is supposedly for all skin types. It's a pH balanced yogurt cleanser, so this is supposed to remove your makeup, oils, grime, all that nasty stuff that could be on your face, and it's supposed to, you know, make your skin hydrated but not not feel stripped. I would imagine this probably came with a box, so why is it that it doesn't tell you the ingredients? I guess I'll have to look that up because I need to know if there's fragrance in here. I'll try that out tonight to help remove my makeup, since this was the makeup I wore to work today. Oh my god. I don't know what the hell this was. Okay, so this is the Trace Good Vibes Mascara. Holy mackerel. Okay. So this is supposed to be an all-in-one tool with the curler, the matte lash enhancing mascara that can take your lashes to the next level for $25. Wow. Hey, at least they put a sticker that tells you how to use it. Like, just for reference. Here's the Better Than Sex mascara. What the hell? So this is what the bottle looks like. Oh, maybe if I turn it the other way you can read it correctly. And then here's a how to use sticker, and as you can see, this right up here is a freaking lash curler. I might try this tomorrow too. That's what you totally want to do when there's a big event that you need to go to. You just try a bunch of new stuff. Okay, next product. Oh, this is the Dominique Cosmetics lip gloss. I remember when this came out. Oh, and I got peach tea. Cool. I know there were 2 shades you could pick from. It's supposed to be a sheer gloss that's long lasting, so you can wear it alone or layer with your lipstick. Gives you a hydrating shine, lightweight, non-sticky, and it's sold for $17. So here's the packaging right here. Let's try it on now. It's like a frosting scent. I don't know. Alright, let's give it a try. I like the wand. Oh yeah, that's sheer. So, let me zoom you in. Top is my natural lip, no product, just chapped. And then this is the bottom with the lip gloss. So there is a difference. It's very subtle. Definitely gives my lips a more pinky look. I like the color. I really like. I am a peach nude, warm browns. I'm that girl. You see that? Maybe I had too much product on. Yeah, this doesn't feel sticky. It does feel like a balm for sure. I might have a little bit too much product on. But that was one dunk. I didn't go in for another one. This was just one dunk because I wanted to see what it looked like with one dunk. I actually really like the color. Yeah, she's staying on for the rest of the video. Okay, so that was a definite win. So far, I'm like really happy with this box. I'm like, oh my god, I've never had this before. Never experienced this. Okay, so the next thing is the No Problem Prime Essence from Touch and Soul. I do own the... Can I make more noise? I do own the normal No Problem primer from them. I do like this. It does have a little bit of a fragrance to it, but it's not too bad. It goes away really fast and it doesn't seem to agitate me, so I don't mind it. And now they've made an essence version of it, which I guess is supposed to be more of a skincare. I have heard the word essence before, but I am very like uneducated in skincare. Like, I'm working on it, I'm getting more into skincare, but I've seen essence and I'm not really sure what it is or when you use it in a skincare routine. It's supposed to make the skin silky and smooth for better and long-lasting makeup. It's infused with Calendula officinalis flower extract, forgot to do a close-up. I'm such a great YouTuber. Great at making things look more interesting, huh? That's cute. Now, another product I'm really excited that I got is the Pharmacy... Oh wait, I was supposed to do a close-up. This product, though, I'm extremely excited to get. It's from Pharmacy. It's the Honey... What is it? The Honeymoon Glow AHA Resurfacing Night Serum. I literally was looking for a night serum. And so this is sold for $58. 3-in-1 night serum to resurface, hydrate, and clarify dull skin while you sleep with 14% AHA, BHA, and gentle flower acids. You're supposed to have more youthful, smooth complexion, as in like reducing pores, fine lines, and wrinkles. Here, if you want to pause and read the description on the back, the how to use, and the ingredients, go right ahead. I'm not going to read all that because my voice can't handle it. Okay, Boxy, we're doing it. We are doing good. I have the Tarte Pro Glow 3 palette. So it's supposed to be like a double door effect. Oh, great. Drop plastic. And there we go. Here's the shades. So I feel like we know that this is supposed to be kind of like a one-stop shop for your blush, your bronzer, and your highlighter. Okay, so here are the 2 highlighters. Okay, so as you can see here, this one's way more pink, and then this is more of like a pinky purple. Okay, so here are the bronzers. That matte one is freaking orange. That's like Oompa Loompa orange. The shimmery one, though, has a better color to it. It's less orange, not completely un-orange, but I can handle this one more than that one. Okay, good morning. So it's the next day and now I'm going to finally try out some of these products. So I will say, so far the cleanser it doesn't make me feel super dry, but I don't feel like super hydrated either. Felt good when my face was still kind of wet. I was like, oh yeah, my skin feels like the same as it was before I took my makeup off. And then it got just a tad bit drier, but I did not feel stripped. So that's a good thing. So I will give it a thumbs up on that one. And then trying the Pharmacy Night Serum. I did experience a little burning, like a tingling sensation, but it was very, very subtle, and it did say that you might experience that. And this is how my skin looks so far. I mean, I don't know if I look revolutionary. Yes, now I'm going to go in with the Truffle Therapy Illuminating Skin. And I think you just shake it. Is that a mint? I don't know. Oh yeah, that's minty. That smells like spearmint. But the sprayer is not working. Okay, something's wrong with that sprayer. It's in my eyeball. Okay, that sprayer sucks. It literally like jets out in 3 ways. So, whatever. So today is big day, so I am not going to let that ruin my face. So I'm going to go in with the Pixie Glow Mist. Okay, so time to go in with the Essence Primer. Let's see how that goes. Okay, so it's a really interesting dropper. Oh, that's interesting. Okay, I don't know how much. Ooh, yeah, it feels like a serum. That's interesting. Kind of like a serum, but then it does start to feel like silicone-y, and I feel like, yeah, like it would be smoothing. So interesting. Definitely have never tried a primer like that before. So okay, so I'm not really going for anything like too crazy, just because like you can tell my dress is leopard, and this is like a graduation ceremony. Okay, so this is just the eye look I came up with, and now I almost forgot, but I turned the camera back on. But I'm going to try their blush. So I'm just going to try the one that's in the top left and see if it goes with my eye today. It's definitely very sheer and buildable. And I'm not going to try the highlighters just because, well, maybe I'll put a little on, but I'm not very confident in those highlighters. I'll try a little bit of the highlighter. I really don't want to try this bronzer, but I'll just do a tad bit. Just a tad. Okay, yeah, that's pretty sheer. Yeah, no, I'm not a big fan of the Pro palette. I'm gonna go into my Urban Decay bronzed bronzer. Okay, so let's go ahead and give this curler a try. Flip down to curl. Oh, okay. So that's it. That's terrifying. Okay, I don't curl my lashes, so I don't know how to do this. Okay. Said hold it for 3 to 5 seconds, but God, I'm scared. Uh-oh, I over curled them. Oh no. Oh no, how do you fix that? How do you fix that? Alright, that's all we're doing. Now I gotta make this side messed up too. Now, ooh, that's a nice wand. It's kind of typical, but it's nice. So that's what we got going. It looks pretty. It just definitely, it's a mascara that's supposed to give you length because it separates them and makes them look long and pretty. I'm just going to go over it with another coat. I'm not mad at that. I kind of like that. Maybe I'll try the curler again another time when I'm less scared. But that's what we got going. Now I think all I gotta do is lips, so I'm excited. I think I'm gonna go in with this Anastasia lipstick in Honey. Ooh, I like that so much. Okay, let's put Peach Tea on top to give it a little warmth and see how it looks when it's layered. Oh yeah, that's pretty. Okay, and then I'm gonna go do my hair and I'll let you guys know what I think about that Living Proof product. But other than that, this is basically my face. Minus the ears, I'm not wearing those, but I'll be back. Okay, so I'm back. I did my hair. Look at this. So I crimped it with, well, it's called a deep wave or whatever, but basically a crimper. I crimped my hair and then I sprayed it after I styled it. I didn't know if you're supposed to do it beforehand or afterward. It didn't say that, so I'm assuming after. I do feel like the grittiness that's in it, you know, that's supposed to be the texturing part, so I'm cool with that. It's not aggravating. And yeah, my hair looks good. Like, y'all saw how flat my hair was. So I will say this really made my hair look good. So far out of everything, I actually am really satisfied with my box this time. But yeah, I mean, overall though, I really liked the cleanser. I like the night serum. The mascara is really pretty so far. It looks like just my normal kind of lengthening mascara that I usually wear or buy. So it's nothing revolutionary. The curl, I will say I probably need to practice that curler a little bit more because I don't even use a real, like, just normal curler on my eyes. So I can't really vouch for that. I will say I think the primer, I think it did a good job at smoothing my skin a little bit. It does look pretty smooth. Like, I still see my pores, but they're like more smoothed over, so they're not like crevices in my face, if that makes sense. As for the Truffle Therapy Illuminating Spray, I'm going to try that on another day. It has a really weird sprayer. It felt really nice at first, but then it started like shooting really weird, and I don't know why. But the smell is very much of a peppermint, like spearmint scent, which I think is in here. Yeah, there's peppermint oil in here, so you definitely smell the peppermint oil. It doesn't stay on your face though. It's just when you're spraying it, you kind of feel it. And I did get a little bit of it in my eye, so obviously you're not supposed to get that in your eye, but if you did with this one, it's a little minty, like you feel the mint, so like just wipe it off and you'll be fine. But yeah, that sprayer I'm not a fan of. This lip gloss though, I love this. Like, it's really pretty. I'm definitely going to use it again. I love the way it looks with this lipstick. Oh, the hairdryer. I haven't tried that yet, but I think it's really cute, and like, who doesn't want like a little hairdryer to travel with? That diffuser and stuff I think is going to really work well for short hair, whereas the other attachment I think will work, you know, for anybody's hair length. But I am not going to diffuse my hair with that little hairdryer. That would not work at all. Yeah, so I think that's everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope I was like interesting enough to watch, to be honest. I've been feeling like really low energy because I'm exhausted, so I apologize if I looked a little tired or seemed a little tired or quiet. I just wasn't my super energetic self today, and you know, graduation's today, so we're excited but we're nervous, so it's kind of like, you know, we're all worried about something else right now. So but I really wanted to make this video for you guys, and I'll have this up for you soon, hopefully. I hope I didn't bore you to death, but I had a lot of fun doing this, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!